Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our exercise 3E. In this video I am going to give you a test paper 2. In this exercise we are going to discussing about the division. You have previous knowledge about the division. Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Division means repeated subtraction also. You know the division algorithm, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. That is, suppose let a and b two whole numbers. Dividing a by b means finding a whole number c such that b into c equal a. So a divided by b equal c. This can be also be expressed as dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Properties of division. If a and b are non-zero whole numbers, then a divided by b is not always a whole number. For example, 7 and 2 are whole numbers, but 7 divided by 2 is not a whole number. Division by 0. If a is whole number, then a divided by 0 is meaningless because we can't divide any number by 0. If a is a non-zero whole number, then 0 divided by a is also 0. That means 0 divided by 3. Answer will be 0. Now we are going to start our exercise. Question number 1. Divide and check your answer by the corresponding multiplication in each of the following. First, you have to divide the number. In first question, I am going to divide. But in rest of the question, I am giving you direct answer and you have to divide by yourself. This is the division. When we divide 1936 by 16, our quotient will be 121 and remainder will be 0. So how will you check the answer? We have to check the answer by the division algorithm. So checking dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 16 multiplied by 121 plus 0. So answer will be 1936. That is dividend. So our answer is verified. The question number 2 is also same. Here look at this. You have to divide 19,881 divided by 47. Divide by yourself. When you divide, we will get the quotient 423 and remainder will be 0. And you can check your answer. Question number 2. Divide and find out the quotient and remainder and check your answer. It is also just same of question number 1. So you have to divide 6,971 by 47. I am going to give you one answer only and rest of the question you have to do by yourself. When we divide both the numbers, so first divide in your copy. Your quotient will be 148 and remainder will be 15. So you can check your answer. Question number 3, find the values. Here total 6 questions are given. In first question, 65,007 divided by 1. What will be the answer? The same number, because when we divide any number by 1, we'll get the same number. Second, 0 divided by 879. We will get the answer 0. Third, 981 plus 5720 divided by 10. You have to follow your BODMAS, then you will get the answer 1553. For following BODMAS rule, first we have to divide. So when we divide both the number, we get the answer 572. After then we have to plus with 981. We'll get the final answer. In question number 4, again you have to follow the BODMAS property. That is, when 625 divided by 25, answer will be 25. When we subtract both the number, we will get the answer 1482. Question number 5 and 6 is also same. You can see and do by yourself in your copy. Please, all the division, multiplication, subtract, anything, whatever you have to do in this question, please do in rough and write down in your copy. Question number 4. Find a whole number n such that n divided by n equal n. Here you have to find if any number is divided by a same number, our answer will be the same. Then what is the number? In given n divided by n equal n. So n into n is equal to n. That means n equal n square. So only one number is there. When we multiply the same number, answer will be get, that is 1. So the given whole number must be 1. The product of two numbers is given, that is 5,04,347. If one of the numbers is 317, find the other. What we have to do? We will have to divide. When we divide both the number, let's suppose let x and y be the two numbers. Product of two numbers, x into y equal to given. If x is equal to 317, you will have to find the value of y. So when we find the value of y, we have to divide both the numbers and our answer will be 1591. Please divide it by yourself. On dividing 59,761 by a certain number, the quotient is 189 and the remainder is 37. Find the divisor. So first we will have to write the division algorithm. That is dividend equal to given, quotient equal to given, and remainder is also given. You have to find the divisor. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. When we put the numbers in given division algorithm, so first we have to subtract remainder from the dividend. When we subtract remainder from the dividend, we will get the answer 59,724 and it will be divided by 189. We will get the answer. On dividing 55,390 by 299, the remainder is 75. Find the quotient using the division algorithm. It is also just same question number 6. We put the value in division algorithm, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we have to find the quotient. First we have to subtract the remainder from the dividend. When we subtract, we get the answer 55,315. Now this one divided by 299 and we will get the final answer, that is quotient 185. What least number must be subtracted from 13,601 to get a number exactly divisible by 87? Listen the question carefully. First we have to divide it. When we will divide, we get the remainder 29. So 29 must be subtracted from 13,601. When we subtract, we get a number 13,572. That means 29 must be subtracted from the number. So when we subtract the number 13,572 is completely divisible by 87. What least number must be added to 1056 to get a number exactly divisible by 23? In this question again we have to divide. So divide it first by yourself. We divide, we get the remainder 21. When we subtract 21 from 23, we get 2. That means 2 must be added to 1056 to make it exactly divisible by 23. When we add 1056 plus 2, we get the answer 1058. So 1058 is exactly divisible by 23. You can check your answer by yourself also. Find the largest 4-digit number divisible by 16. First, what is the largest 4-digit number? That is 9,999. So first divide 9,999 by 16. So dividend is 9,999 and divisor is 16. So please do the division now. So after dividing the number, we get the remainder 15. So 15 must be subtracted from 9,999 to get the largest 4-digit number, that is divisible by 16. So when we subtract both the number, we get the answer 9,984. Thus 9,984 is the largest 4-digit number, that is divisible by 16. Please divide it by yourself. Divide the largest 5-digit number by 653. Check your answer by division algorithm. It is very simple question. First you have to divide it. So divide it by yourself. Don't write the direct answer. Largest 5-digit number 99,999. So our dividend is 99,999. Divisor is 653. When we divide both the numbers, quotient will be 153 and remainder is 90. So when we check the answer, when we multiply 653 into 153 and plus 90. So answer will be 99,999. That is dividend. So our answer is verified. 12th question, do by yourself. 1 dozen bananas cost rupees 29. How many dozen can be purchased from rupees 1392? Here you have to find the number of bananas. So what we have to do? We have to divide both the numbers. So first write down the steps. Cost of 1 dozen bananas, that is rupees 29. Number of dozen purchased from rupees 1392, that is 1392 divided by 29. So hence 48 dozen of bananas can be purchased. 19,625 trees have been equally planted in 157 rows. Find the number of trees in each row. Number of trees planted in 157 rows, that is 19,625. Trees planted in one row, that is 19,625 divided by 157. Divided by yourself. When we divide, we get the answer 125. The population of a town is 5,17,530. If one out of every 15 is reported to be literate, find how many literate persons are there in the town. Is the answer. Population of town is given. 1 out of 15 of population is reported to be literate. So we have to divide both the numbers. So answer will be 34,502 literate person in the given town. The cost price of 23 color television set is rupees 5,70,055. Determine the cost price of each TV set if each costs the same. Cost price of 23 color TV sets, that is given 5,70,055. Cost price of one TV set, we have to divide by 23. So answer will be 24,785. Now I am going to give you a test paper 2. In this question, you have to do the fill in the blanks. Please write down direct answer. Total 4 fill in the blanks is given there. Question number 2, add by suitable rearrangement. You have previous knowledge and also you have learned it in your whole number. So arrange it by suitable rearrangement. Question number 3, find the product by suitable rearrangement. Here again you can multiply 50 into 4 and again you have to multiply with 4,768 and you get the answer. Here you have to write all the factors of following numbers. Find the missing factors. Here in some question you have to do the multiply, in some question you have to do the division. Question number 6 is also there. Question number 7 is word sum. 2 questions are there. Please solve it with proper steps.